welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY video. Now most of you guys have your summer break this time and I'm done with my college and I had plenty of time with me, so I thought why not do some fun DIYs for you guys. So I've been looking for an off-shoulder top for quite some time now and they're quite expensive in most places, so I thought I'd make myself one. And this is the off-shoulder top that I've made, and I've just made it from an old striped t-shirt. So if you're interested in making one for yourself, then just keep on watching. So first we're going to start with whatever t-shirt we want to make into our off-shoulder top. Now I'm just going with that striped t-shirt. It's just easier with the striped t-shirt because you have all these lines, so you can just cut across them. But in case you're going with a plain t-shirt, what you have to do is just try it on and mark it right below your neckline where you want it to be. And so basically I'm just going to cut it across this line over here. This is where my off-shoulder top is going to sit, and I'm just going to take it on the sleeves as well. So now I'm going to cut along this black stripe here. Make sure you take a sharp pair of scissors and also ensure that your top is nicely spread out, and then just snip, snip, snip. Next you'll have to add cuts where the arm is attached to the t-shirt. You can keep it about an inch long, as this will provide for the margin as well as form the space for the elastic once we fold it. Now fold the margins neatly towards the wrong side of the t-shirt and iron over them so that they stay in place and it's easier for you to stitch or paste them. Do the same for each of the arm and the back as well. Then taking a black thread, I'm going to sew over this black stripe so that the thread is not visible. You can also use fabric or hot glue if you're not comfortable with stitching. Now take some elastic. I'm using this thin one and taking about 1.5 times the side of the shirt. But there's no fixed rule, you can take any length depending on how tight and how secure you want your top to be. Now tie one end of the elastic to a bobby pin or a safety pin and start inserting it inside the top. Now I'm taking a separate elastic for the chest and for each arm because that will make it more secure and the top won't slide over your shoulders like most off-shoulder tops do. But then again, it's your preference. If you like to take a single one that goes across the chest and the arms, you can do it. And so once you reach the end, secure both the ends by sewing them together or tying a knot, whichever one you prefer. And lastly, repeat the same for each of the arms as well. Just take the elastic as tight as you want it to be on your arm and you're done. So wasn't that pretty simple, guys? I know it's really easy and I'm sure you will all be able to make it. So do try it out in these vacations. I know you have plenty of time to do it. And do send me pictures. I'd love to see your pictures in your own personalized off-shoulder tops. And to give this video a big thumbs up if you thought it was useful and if you liked it. Also please comment down below and tell me what videos you'd like to see, if you thought this video was helpful or not, because I'm planning to shoot and upload regularly from now on. So you'll be seeing more of me in these coming months. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there are going to be a lot of videos from now on. And yeah, that's all. Bye!